Hey Xiaomi users, you know what I really like about the Turbo 5 or POCO X8 Pro? Those rounded display corners. They make iOS setups look much more realistic. I recently set this setup in a short and a lot of you loved it. So today let's recreate the same setup step by step. If you love the clean look of iOS, you are going to love this one. So let's get started. Let's start with the lock screen. I wanted to keep it clean, just like iOS. That's why I paired this minimal building wallpaper with a classic iOS style clock. They go really well together. At the bottom I added the battery widget for quick information and the colorful hello widget to match the wallpaper. I also kept the camera and flash shortcuts because they are the ones I use the most. As for the wallpaper, I didn't choose it just for the lock screen. There's another reason behind it, but you will understand that once we move to the home screen. Now for this lock screen, apply the theme Black as your lock screen. Then apply the wallpaper as both the background and foreground. Once that's done, reduce the clock widget to better match the wallpaper. Finally, add these widgets and your lock screen is ready. Now let's move to the home screen. Remember I said there was another reason behind choosing that wallpaper. This is exactly why I choose it. It brings the whole setup together. At the top I added the date and Google widgets because I use them every day. The date widgets gives quick access to the calendar app and the Google widget makes searching much easier. I also arranged the icons to match the wallpaper, so everything looks clean and balanced. And finally the glass style dock brings everything together. It matches the lock screen clock and you will see how it also looks great with the control center. Now for this home screen, let's start with the widgets. Open the widget section and choose the 2x2 calendar widget. Switch to the dark theme and keep the corner radius at 24. Then place it at the top. Now add the 2x2 Google widget using the same dark theme and 24 corner radius. This combination keeps the home screen clean and balanced. Now it's time for the icons. Apply the theme Lemon Blurry as your icons and home screen. Once that's done, arrange your apps just like the setup from the intro and your home screen is ready. Now let's take a look at the control center. I wanted it to match the rest of the setup instead of standing out. The liquid glass effect looks great with the dock and the lock screen. The clean layout and blur effect also work really well with this wallpaper and together they complete the whole setup. And finally for this control center, first apply the theme Super 26 Pro as a status bar. Then apply the same theme to the icons. Once that's done, reapply the theme Lemon Blurry from the icon section. Finally, apply the wallpaper from your gallery. And here's the final result. And that's it. I would love to know what you think about this setup. So let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy Xiaomi customization like this, make sure to subscribe Mobile Funda. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Till then keep customizing.